Agbekoya demands regional governance as long-term solution to kidnappings, terror attack in Yoruba land. What is happening in Nigeria is so terrible. Everybody has seen the kind of country we are. How they acquired one of these abducted teachers by bandits in Oyo State, Mr. Michael Oyedokun. They beheaded innocent man. You will ask yourself, what kind of hellfire is this country? These people have taken over the country. Last time it happened in Imo State. And now they can warned Nigeria several times, sensitizing them about these people, their plans, how they are planning to take over Yoruba land. Not only Yoruba land, but also Southeast as well, which prompted him to set up the Eastern Security Network. But before we continue, let's watch how these people were crying out about this incident that is happening.
Bandits are at the edges of Yoruba land.
Yes.
Bandits are conquering territories.
Yes.
Kwara is under siege.
Yes.
What's going on?
Mazi Nnamdi Kanu warned everybody about the insecurity that is going on in this country, about the plan, the agenda of the Islamization of this country, that they want to turn everybody, that by fire, by force, you must turn to an Islamic person. But when I turn on to another thing, and you sent the man to prison. The most annoying part here is the Yoruba people that claim to be educated and intelligent, but because of Tinubu now, they have become brainless. You people can no longer think for yourself again. And like this, you are looking. Bandit has started taking over Yoruba land, though. Yes, as you can see, recently now, over 40 people now, they don't go kidnap for your state. And they don't find one of them. That is how you will be looking until they will take over the whole Yoruba land. And in the name of Yoruba and Fulani Association, you will no longer have access to your land again. Nigeria, you are no longer intelligent again. Yoruba now, you have now become powerless. Look at all the Yoruba kings, no voice. You people are there. Figurehead, you cannot do anything. All the batobati kidnap, yes, all the kings, all the elders, they will kidnap all of you. Then you will now come back to your senses and realize that and you keep quiet because of Tinubu. Abi, Tinubu yana lo ma pada baye nje ni ile Yoruba. The Yoruba race will be ruined in the name of Tinubu. A useless human being that is not competent, that does not care about human life.
It is very, very terrible what is happening in Nigeria. Very, very terrible what is happening in this country. I know the time Nnamdi Kanu was raising an alarm about this thing that is happening today, and nobody took it serious. The most painful part is our Eastern governors, our Igbo governors, who are silent, doing nothing. And these people have taken over Enugu State. This guy was raising an alarm of Yoruba land. What about Enugu? They have been kidnapping people, raping our women, committing a lot of atrocities. Last week, it happened in Imo State. They unalived 2 persons, injuring so many people in Eziobodo community, Imo State. The Igbo governor that prescribed IPOP could not secure Igbo land. They pressured them to ban open grazing. They refused. They were so afraid that their master in Abuja will stop favoring them. What have they gained from that Abuja? Nothing. Look at how Southeast is looking like. No infrastructure from federal. Everybody kept quiet, and these people are on rampage, plundering our region as if there is no authority in charge of the territory. What is happening in Yoruba land today by these bandits, what they are committing in this region, is spreading across not only in Yoruba land, in Southeast. Every time Enugu people have been protesting against these people, what they have committing against humanity in the state, and we have governors doing nothing to secure their land. The only way you will see our governors being active is only issues that connect with Biafra or IPOP. You will see them taking action immediately. Look at what is happening in the country. People can no longer move about. You will be in your home. These people will invade your house and kidnap people. Invading schools, kidnapping. Oh my God. What the hell is happening in this country? They have planned this far back, doing everything possible to execute it. That is why they kidnapped Nnamdi Kanu from Kenya and brought him to Nigeria to make sure that they will not free him again. And now they have sentenced him to life imprisonment and put him in Sokoto prison so that nobody will disturb them again as they carry out their mission. But they have been catching these bandits and be releasing them, catching them and be releasing them, rehabilitating them, reintegrating them back to society to continue with their crime. And our governors in Igbo land sat down and be watching. They are very, very comfortable with what is happening. They don't even care. No measure in place to stop these people from advancing into our territory. The citizens are just living at the mercy of God. I thought as they banned ESN, proscribed IPOP, they will set up strong security outfit that will secure the entire territory. Igbo governors are the most foolish governors I have ever seen. Not all of them, but some of them. Look at how North is protecting bandits, releasing bandits. But our governors are fighting people that will protect their territory. Okay, they have left everything for you to secure our territory. You could not do anything, only to sit down and be watching. People are being raped, unalived. Our farmlands are being invaded every day by day, destroying our crops by these terrorist Fulani herdsmen. And these governors are keeping quiet, watching. They have been telling them to ban open grazing. They refuse to put a strict law restricting movement of cattle in our territories. But they don't want. They want to be obedient to their master in Abuja.